In this video, I will quickly show you how to order on Fiverr to hire a service online. First, go to the Fiverr website and sign into your account. Once you are inside, use the search bar to find the service you need, such as design, programming, translation, or video editing. Next, click on the gig that best matches your needs. Read the service description, check the price, and review what is included in the package. If you have questions, you can click Contact Seller to message the seller before purchasing. After that, click Continue or Order Now to start the order. Fill in the requested information, such as project details or instructions. Then choose your payment method and confirm the order. After the payment is approved, the seller will begin working on your request. You can track the order progress directly on the platform. And that's it. Now you know how to order on Fiverr easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.